First of all, namaskar, very good morning. This is Manoj Rajput, and today I just thought about it. I need to share some of my, experience, what I have learned from this world, and just put you light for few things. As you can see, this is the specs, right? If I put the specs, you can't see my eyes, right? Clearly. So same way, now every human beings is putting some kind of specs on the eye and they are not able to see lots of things. Okay, so I will be starting with the basic. Okay, but if you have any doubt, you can reach to my Facebook account and you can literally see exactly what I'm talking about, and you can verify things in a much more clear way from Google account also. You go to Google, type things, you will get the answer. Okay, but yes, from my side, it is what I think, this is my duty and responsibility also to share some of my experience, what I have learned in since so many years, and especially in this lockdown time. Okay, so first of all, let me remove this specs because I really want to be clear on my vision. Okay, so first thing what I want to tell you, like today. Okay, you know what is today date, right? First of May 2020, man. Yeah, see the world population. Okay, I'm not talking about your country and my country and whoever country. Yeah, I'm talking about the world. The amount of pressure the world is wearing right now, 7.78 billion plus plus plus. So that is the amount of weight what we are giving to the earth right now. Now if you will see, every second there are average 4 to 5 people are coming into this world. I do not have any problem and I don't want any problem. And the ratio, every 2 second one person is going back to the God. Okay, I do not have problem in that also, because this is the law of nature. But who is the one, I'm talking about the human being. I'm not talking about the animals and other things, only people like us. Okay, so that is the ratio what we are producing, what we are giving to the world, and what we are expecting. We are celebrating lots of this day, that day. Okay, for what? Okay, no problem, for us only. However, somewhere we have to think, we need to give a balance pressure to the world also. If the production is very high, death rate is very less, it's still okay, but we need to control somewhere the production. Not only one country, I'm talking about the all world. Every single human being need to think about it. Okay, now you all are right now is bind up in so many illogical information. Okay, now I will tell you a few things. Okay, now there are so many jati religion on this earth, right? But I will tell you something, and I am sure you will be agree with me. There are only three things which decide your caste. No matter what caste you belongs to, but these three things will decide your caste. Okay, rajas, tamas, and sattva. Rajas, you know very well. If you don't know, I will tell you. People who have the prakriti, the brain, like, okay, I want to become ruler, I want to become king, I want to become CEO of the company. Okay, and tamas, people with the temperament, high temper, low temper, and different kind of temper, which decide again your caste. Okay, so rajas done, tamas done, sattva. Sattva means what? It is simple, yeah. This is not for one religion. This is not for Hindu or Muslim or for Christians or for Buddhist or for anybody. These three things remain same for everybody. The way you are trying to identify might be different. Okay, so sattva is basic. Like how much truthness you have, how much truthful you are to your Lord God, or whether you believe or you don't believe, whomever you believe. Okay, it is not important what you believe. Okay, It is important what is the reality. Like example, I have two hands, right? So whether I believe or don't believe, me or you, everybody have two hands, which is given by God. But yes, somebody do something bad or some accident happens, you might lose one hand. That is a different story. But overall, these three things decide your caste. And the caste also, you have millions of castes right now, right? But I will tell you there are only four castes. Only four. Okay? Number one, top, rule the world. It can be from any caste. Okay? But this is the top. This is called rich. Rich in everything. Rich in brain, rich in knowledge, rich in action, rich in great karma, rich in everything. Okay? So this is the one. Now second is what? Person who move around the world, business people. It can be any business. Yeah. And the third caste, people who literally take care of their country, army, any kind of safety, security. It comes with the doctors, engineer who build the country or nation, the world, whatever it is. And the last one is what? People. People who work for others. People who every single day when they wake up, they have to plan, okay, today I need to go for work. If I will not go, I will not get money. So there are four only categories. Now in which category you are right now, it's up to you. Now in which category you want to go, it is all up to you. Every human being can be reached to any of the caste, but it takes some time. They need to work hard. They need to literally focus on themselves. Okay, then only they can become the higher version of themselves. Okay, what I believe, self realization is very important. Okay, until unless you don't discover yourself, what you are, how you are, what you want, what you want to have in this world, how you are going to achieve things in this world, and what is your ultimate goal. These all things you have to discover, you have to ask yourself. And whatever I discussed with you before, you have to think about it, because if you really don't care what is going around the world, trust on me, it is going to come back to us only. So thank you very much for giving you this 8-minute time. I am sure it will help you. Namaskar. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Thank you very much.